55 on corn. Yes, sir. This is stock boost, stock pulley, just with the sauce activated. Man, what you think about this?
It's pretty stout for a stock car. I mean, you know, my car's been on here, your car's been on here, and we have a couple at the track, so I was a little surprised at the power it's making, but big difference is the mileage on the car. This one is 9,500, mine was brand new, you know what I mean? So a little bit of wear and tear on it goes a long way, so that was actually still pretty conservative on timing as well, so I probably have a few more ponies left on the table after I let her cool down and do one more, so can't complain, that's pretty good.
Yes, sir. Hell yeah. 100%, man. And if y'all don't believe it, let me go ahead and show y'all. Yeah, that's stock pulley. That's stock pulley, stock boost. That's literally sauce activated. Y'all want a red eye? And y'all want that extra power up out of? Y'all know where to come. Satera Tuning.
A few minutes later.
Oh, see, man, Toro knocking them out, man. What you got going on?
Filling up the trans on Jeff's turbocharger.
That trans fluid getting to his head, gang. He can't even get his thoughts together. But y'all see it, man. Getting this thing together. Yeah, know y'all remember. Know y'all remember it. Know y'all remember it, man. Big turbo demonstration going in here. And if y'all see, topping off that trans fluid, just smack that fresh PDS trans in here. So, got to get them fluids all situated. Yeah, there go that drain hole. Y'all see, yep, there y'all go. Y'all see that drain hole. So he loading up the trans fluid in the filler, and then gonna go ahead and top the fluids off, and then, man, you see what she do, man. You know what I'm saying? Tulo still over here knocking stuff out on this one, almost getting it already suited and booted. Let's see what he looking like up under here. Okay, getting the waste gates together.
Just doing the vacuum hose for the boost controller. We got 2 things less since you start.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ready to have this thing do it. So y'all see it, man. Compound boost Challenger. It looked like it's a compound boost charger, but it's really turbo only. You know, the blower just there in place is gutted, and it's got the belt on there for shits and giggles, man. So y'all know how we coming. It's a little unique too. Thorough get this workout in. You got a pump and hose. Pump and hose. I'll see it, man. Then we got a level 1.5 track hawk that had hit the rollers as well. You know, super clean. No miles on this thing. I mean, ooh, no miles on this thing. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the numbers on this right here. Yeah, 828, 765 on that cone, and then them numbers above is 93 numbers, man. So got some street tuning to do on this thing, and it's gonna be all ready to rock and roll, man. So y'all know, just stay tuned and make sure y'all smash the like, share, subscribe button. Let's go. Spicy, because she definitely is mega spicy. I ain't gonna sit here and lie to y'all. This car right here literally made over 9 to the tires. Yeah, we talking about the Burgundy demonstration. It made over 9 to the tires and ran out of fuel, man. So we had to make some changes to get her all situated and stuff like that, man. So definitely gonna be a rowdy one, 100%, man. But I don't know if y'all done seen the Hillian twin turbo one, but Tulo got it all completed now. So
yeah, they'll fit.
Time to hit that roller.
Oh, we had
Let's see what they got
Yeah,
going.
you know, take it off. Because it was pump wouldn't actually go on.
She ready to hit them rollers?
About that time.
Ooh-wee. About to get that thing on there. Y'all see this thing. Ooh, is she wet. Push mushing package, nice and wet. I know y'all saw the dyno numbers in the other video and everything like this. Y'all looking at a 9-second street car right here. Stock boost and everything like that too. Yes, sir. Oh, get some maneuvering going on, man. Shop flow, they staying busy today. Getting them in, see them. Toro knocking it out. One done, another one on. Let's get it. But yeah, like I was saying, mushing package on this thing. And Matt Glass packed it up, man. We definitely offer this if you would like to get your car cleaned after, you know, all the modifications is done to it. We could do a quick wash on it, ceramic coat it. You let us know, we'll get you together 100%. Y'all just sit tight and stay tuned. See that Whipple thing? You ready to act bad, man? Just got that thing back. Y'all see the lot extra loaded. We got gas getting loaded up over there. Whipple Scat just got picked up. Definitely a choppy girl. Sound nice and spicy. I ain't gonna sit here and lie to y'all on that. Sound juicy for sure.
Later that day.
Oh, they just grabbed that good cone. They just grabbed that good cone. Y'all about to go racing? Y'all got that good cone.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Y'all see they ain't playing. Got them a 55 gallon of that out front racing fuel, man. And they said, you ain't getting that bad corn at them pumps, huh? It's time to act bad. I feel you. Yeah, that's definitely, I was looking too. It's gonna take a lot of muscle.
A whole lot. I don't think I had a dolly, but I don't think I got one.
No, all we got is that yellow one that they had used to pull it out.
A little short joint.
Yep. Damn. Whew, that's gonna be a rough one, man. 100%.
I don't think that's gonna be possible, dude.
Let's bop on in the shop. Oh, they got a copyright live and lit, gang. It's a party in here. Y'all see what's going on?
Unbelievable copyright.
Y'all see Jay stuff getting suited and booted, ready to do what he gotta do. Subframe, back up in there. Motor, back up in there. Y'all already know about this big one, man. We got a nice one coming up on this one. He gonna be laying some big power. For sure, he gonna be laying down some big power. And y'all know, Joe gotta do his thing over here getting the twin turbo joint together. What you got going on over here, broski? Oh, he got his headphones in, y'all. We gotta leave him be. Gotta leave him be. He focused in. He ain't even hit me. Didn't even peep me come up on him. What you two guys working on?
Subframe back in after he dropped the motor. He's getting a 426.
Yes, sir. He ready to act bad. Yeah, y'all see. Toro on cleanup duty right now, making it happen.
A few minutes later. Eventually.
Oh man, y'all did that quicker than I thought.
Yeah, we figured it out.
Yeah, yes sir. Y'all went and ate some spinach or something.
Ain't no happens in the rush.
Yes sir, yes sir.
If we stand up and shit.
Oh yeah, y'all did that. They got that 55 gallon in there, boy. When you determined, you gonna make it happen, man. 100%. Yes sir. Yes sir. Alright, y'all see the pushing mushing car. He got that package ready to rock and roll. Pickup day for him. Woo-wee. Woo, she sound good, man. Drop in the comment section and let me know what y'all think about the indigo blue. I'm definitely feeling the depth on it. The depth is 100% there. Yes, sir. Y'all looking at a 9-second sleeper right there, man. Y'all wasn't expected to do it, but it'll do it. Simple mods, man. The push and mushing package is proven. Track proven. Yes, sir. Y'all want to act bad? That's the route to go. Let's make it happen. Yeah, but he about to go off and enjoy that thing. Yes, sir. We all see we got packages getting dropped off as well, too. Busy Friday for us, but we're making it do what it do.
A few minutes later.
Spicy fella on the dyno. Spicy fella on the dyno. On the torque, and just to let y'all know, that was only 14.5 pounds of boost. This is 93 activation right here, man. This thing is rowdy. Man, you gotta give them a little insight to this nasty combination.
This is a year-long build, so it's a billet bottom end 420, custom ported heads, custom turbo cam by Texas Speed. 88 mil single turbo kit that we did, HP90 trans from SHR. So pretty much a complete build. It's a 2015 Scatpack 392 that came in, and the thing made like 470 to the wheels before. So we're just getting base tune in it just so we can kind of make sure everything's good, nice and tight. We're gonna take it off the dyno. We're gonna double check everything's nice and correct. And then from there on out, we're planning for 25 plus pounds of boost out of this thing. This is technically a boost we would run on 93. Mind you, there is 75% ethanol in it just to be extra safe, but this is not aggressive timing at all. This is, I mean, that was a peak of 16 degrees. So it's not even anything special. So far so good. So that was what I think the third dyno pull out of it. So we're gonna take it off the dyno now, do our once over on it, finish the boost controller, and see what she does from there.
Man, y'all can't say this ain't no rowdy girl right here. Y'all heard that. 93 numbers. I just gotta show y'all again. 93 numbers. And right now that was only 14.5 pounds of boost. We still got about another 11 we gonna throw at this thing, so yeah. This one is a savage. That's what we're gonna call this one. Savage mode. We should call this the savage package or something, man. But nah, this the level triple X. When y'all ready to act big bad, y'all know how to come, man. Let's get it.